The counting of votes is underway in Tripura, Meghalaya and Nagaland, and as per early trends, the BJP, part of the ruling coalition in all three, is leading in Tripura. In Nagaland, the BJP NDPP alliance has surged ahead, while in Meghalaya, the Conrad Sangma-led NPP is in the lead. A few exit polls had predicted a BJP victory in Tripura and a tight race in Meghalaya, with Conrad Sangma's NPP emerging as the frontrunner. In Nagaland, the exit poll had predicted a comfortable win for the BJP and its partner NDPP. According to results till 11 am, the BJP is leading in 31 seats in Tripura and is on course to retain Nagaland with over 35 seats. Meanwhile, in Meghalaya, according to trends till 11 am, the Conrad Sangma-led NPP is leading in 25 seats while the BJP is leading in 5. Amid calls for opposition unity ahead of 2024 Lok Sabha polls, stakes are high for the BJP, which is hoping to retain power in Tripura against the combined forces of the left parties and Congress. The emergence of Tripura Motha has thrown another challenge to the Saffron Party as the sway of its founder Pradyot Debbarma among a big section of the tribal population has distributed conventional calculations. In Meghalaya, BJP not only for the first time contested on all 60 seats, polling for one seat has been postponed because of a candidate's death, but also it ran a determined campaign in the state. The BJP was a partner in the state government but broke its alliance with the ruling National People's Party or NPP. However, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma has hinted that the two parties can again come together if the verdict throws up a hung assembly like the last time. Trinamool Congress has also tried to push itself as stronger challenger than Congress. Nagaland last time had the unique feature of having no opposition as all parties with presence in the 60-member assembly backed the nationalistic Democratic Progressive Party-led government. The NDPP-BJP alliance has again contested the polls with a 40-20 formula, that is 40 seats for the NDPP and 20 for the BJP. The Congress fielded 23 candidates, the Naga People's Front or NPF 22, Lok Janshakti Party 15, Nationalist Congress Party and National People's Party with 12 each.